Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you this East to West Alta 2350 KRK. It's a nice little couples coach. It's both not aluminum sided, fiberglass sided. Let's go and take a look at this thing, okay? If you find this video helpful or informative at all, please like and subscribe right now. We got the fiberglass front cap, which is a really awesome look. You got the LED strips right there as well, so you can see the tongue jack as well as the propane tanks and your batteries in the dark, which is a really cool thing. Come on over here. Checking out this pass-through storage on both sides here. You got your shore power cord right there, so you can put a couple things in there as well. All of your camping goods, all those totes and everything like that, so that's gonna be cool. This one does come with two different entrances, okay? It's got the entrance into the bedroom and the entrance into the living area. You also got this really nice big awning, which is really cool. When you're hanging out here, you wanna be able to hang out under a cover, okay? Because we know Oregon, you got a lot of rain over here. So we want you to be camping full year long. This one does come equipped with Azdel, and Azdel is really awesome because it basically keeps your rig from water damage. So rot, decay, mold, mildew, all of those things, that won't happen with this one, okay? It's got the solid steps, which are the best steps in the game. Honestly, they're so sturdy. A lot of people like these ones, including myself. Let's go and take a look inside the rig. Before we come totally into the rig, I want to point your attention to the left-hand side here. These are where all of your buttons are going to be, right there. Super easy, convenient, easy to read. Then take a look at this kitchen area. The rear kitchen model. Yeah, here, I'll go from this side over here so you can see. So right here, we got the rear kitchen model here, okay? Nice, long, what do we call this? Countertops, there we go. Got a nice long countertop area. You even got a full-size length cutting board, so you can, it covers the sink, which is stainless steel, really nice. You also got the removable nozzle or faucet, which is cool. So you can prep your vegetables all along this way. Super nice and convenient. You also got some places for storage on the top and the bottom. So there's some here, and then on the bottom as well, under the sink. And then you got these little drawers here as well, which is quite nice. Then obviously you got your kitchen essentials here, which is your oven right here, the 3-burner stove cooktop, as well as the microwave here, okay? You got the bigger size Ever-Chill refrigerator too, which is a little bit bigger. In the RVs, especially a travel trailer, you see the smaller ones. This is not that. This is the bigger one, which is really spacious. You can even have some ice cream and keep that frozen, which is really nice. And you even have drawers in here, so you can bring those fruits and veggies as you like. Now you're in the living space as well here, so they kind of tailored it together. Being this short, it's going to be a little bit compact. So we got the theater seating here, which is a really comfy chair. Honestly, it's just right across from the TV, which is really nice. You also have a place for the remotes and a place for your coffee or your beer, whichever one. And it does have the reclining seats, and you can go as far out as like this. So you can be sleeping and hanging out inside when it's raining, or if you're just wanting to stay cool in that hot weather out there, okay? Right here, you got the sound bar right above, which is really nice. Good high quality audio. And then you do have a televator here, but some people don't really like having the TV just in the middle of everything. So this is in the down position, and it's got that nice window to let in the natural sunlight. I mean, who doesn't like natural sun? No one, right? You got some other things down here, so a place for storage and a nice little fireplace for your enjoyment. You also got some places for storage right here. I'm not sure why this is a thing, but hey, whatever. Then you also got some more space on the top there, so pack light. And then you got that big window right there, which is, like I said, with the natural sunlight, it's really awesome to just be able to see outside. Coming into here, now you got the mid bathroom, okay? So this is a nice oversized bathroom for a coach this small. You got the corner sink. You obviously got the medicine cabinet as well right above. And then you did see that there's a storage space right there. And then you got the toilet, nice porcelain toilet. And I'm a bigger guy, so like even with this door closed, I can still have my privacy and actual feel like space. I can actually go to the bathroom, you know. Then you got the nice shower here. It's a nice box shower. I don't really feel crammed in here, and I'm a bigger guy, okay? So being able to like have that space in here and still have the ceiling to where it curves, and so the taller folks can still be able to stand in here. It's quite nice. Then you also got the removable nozzles, so you can clean as you need, which is awesome. Okay, that is almost died just there. Then you come into the bedroom here, which is really nice, okay? You got some storage here on the sides and on the top as well. If you can see on the side, it does have those USB ports and the electronical outlets, or the 110 outlets, for your CPAP machines or just other chargers for other types of devices. Then you have these nice drawers right here too, so if you wanted to put other things in there as well, that's a nice little spot. Let's say you're getting ready to go outside and you're ready to put your shoes on and just ready to go hiking. This is really awesome, okay? So you got this, the springs on the side, so you don't have to bear the weight and be super strong like me. You can actually just have that just be held up for you. And it's got the table right here. The table right there, so you can bring it out into the living area. And then there's also some space right here for like your socks or things like that. I mean, look at that drawer. It's not super deep, but you can put, like I said, light things in there like socks, underwear, things like that, or what have you. You can get creative with it too. You can even put your arsenal in there. Either one, you make the space your own. And like I said, this does come with the door inside of the bedroom as well. So that's nice. As soon as you come on in, you don't have to go through the living space. You can go just straight into the bedroom with that door there. If you like this coach, guys, please give me a call, okay? My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794. Would love to talk to you. For now, happy camping.